MON Transport is founded in 1994, over 20 years ago. Our business started with transportation business. We grew the customers based on the customer's need. They actually require more and more logistical needs. For example, they require to have yard management, so we actually expand basically into container yard management systems. And later on, they require warehouses. We actually operate in warehouse as well. So right now, this is goal to become the total logistics solution for inland transport in Thailand. As we plan to go public soon, we actually require to have a very specialized systems for each of the business that we have. For example, in transport business, we have our own transport management systems. In warehousing, we actually have our own WMS. And MON Brokerage Service also have a system. Every system have its own specialized system, and we need something that actually integrate them together. That's why we look into buying an ERP. We require an ERP system that is reliable and that can serve the multiple companies under a single Windows. We're also looking for a system that have complete transaction logs to trace what's going on with the transactions there. And Netizen presented us with SAP ByDesign. So we go with them, and that's proved us right in the ways that they're actually working hard to understand our business, try to understand SAP ByDesign, and try to merge them together, and we feel that it worked fruitfully, although it takes some time. We actually have SAP ByDesign to be the integrator of our systems. Now we look into one Windows and we understand what's going on with our business. SAP ByDesign also provide the very user-friendly dashboard that is highly configurable, which is very useful for us to change the dashboard to serve each need of the employee. We can set up a report to send on mobile anytime with any iOS device or Android device. So at the end though, we have multiple sites for logistics services, and the real cloud-based solution really works for us. SAP ByDesign is a real cloud-based solution which is very reliable, especially for us that operates on multiple sites. We don't need to maintain the hardware, right? We do not need to upgrade the systems, as SAP will work on that, keep upgrading. And not only that, they actually have multiple releases, very frequent release in the ways that it's adding the features that may become useful later for us. As the company grows, SAP also support us. I am Vikram Jarupungsa. I'm the CTO of Mon Logistics Group, and we run on SAP.